So the purpose of this test right here is just to see roughly how good baking soda with lemon, all natural products, just work. And I'm going to cover up an area with this clear tape, and we're going to see how good the natural product just sitting can clean this area. Let's get to it. I'm just going to spray to where it starts a little bubbling action. Let's not clean it that good. Let's just be quick about this. We really have never cleaned this. Just never cleaned it. Why would you clean it? Environmental. Would they ever get dirty? I guess they would. Let's go and pull up the tape. And ooh, we can tell where that tape was at. I want to move you guys so you can see a little bit different of an angle showing the clean versus the not clean area. I'm going to let you guess if natural products like baking soda and lemon juice really can make a difference. Show you right now. Cleaned, the tape was here and cleaned. Caleb Pierce with Pink Power Home Cleaning, and this is another safe way to clean your home. Baking soda and lemon juice. And this tip was brought to you by the ZenMaid Group, which is a private Facebook group on Facebook that's for home cleaners and home cleaning agencies. So thank you guys, and it's great having this support group, and that is how we succeed in life, is through our support groups. So thank you for all those support groups that I use.